Hi everyone, in this video we'll look at some amazing facts about the beautiful creatures, unique birds in the world. Resplendent Quetzal. The resplendent quetzal is a brightly colored bird found in the cloud forests of Central America. It has a vibrant green and red plumage, with long tail feathers that can reach up to 3 feet in length. Golden Pheasant. The golden pheasant is a striking bird native to the mountainous regions of China. It has a bright golden yellow crest, orange and black markings, and a red and gold body. Scarlet Macaw. The scarlet macaw is a large and colorful parrot found in the rainforests of Central and South America. It has a bright red plumage, with blue and yellow feathers on its wings and tail. Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon is a beautiful bird found in the rainforests of Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. It has a stunning blue-gray plumage and a striking blue crown on its head. Peacock. The peacock is a large and majestic bird known for its beautiful, iridescent feathers. It has a distinctive blue and green plumage, with long, colorful tail feathers that are used in courtship displays. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck is a colorful bird found in East Asia. It has a vibrant orange and green plumage, with a distinctive white crest on its head. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan is a brightly colored bird found in Central and South America. It has a large, colorful bill that is used to pick fruit, and a colorful plumage of green, blue, and red. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin is a charming bird found in the coastal regions of the North Atlantic. It has a distinctive black and white plumage, with a colorful orange beak. Lilac-breasted roller. The lilac-breasted roller is a beautiful bird found in sub-Saharan Africa. It has a vibrant blue and green plumage, with a lilac-colored breast. Gouldian finch. The Gouldian finch is a brightly colored bird found in the grasslands of northern Australia. It has a striking blue, green, and yellow plumage, with a distinctive red or black face. European bee-eater. The European bee-eater is a beautiful bird found across Europe, Africa, and Asia. It has a colorful plumage of green, blue, and yellow, and a distinctive curved beak. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.